Hey everyone, it's Justine. Today we're diving into something I am so incredibly excited about. If you've ever wanted to make professional-looking videos but felt totally overwhelmed by complicated editing software, then you are in the right place. We're talking about an AI video tool that is, and I don't say this lightly, a complete game changer. It's called InVideo AI. It's like having a full video production team. A scriptwriter, a video editor, a voiceover artist, a stock footage library all bundled into one super easy-to-use platform. It's seriously magical. You just type in an idea, and it creates a whole video for you. How cool is that? So, what exactly is InVideo AI? Think of it as your creative co-pilot for video. You give it a simple instruction like, create a YouTube short about the best iPhone camera tricks, and it goes to work. It writes a script, finds amazing high-quality video clips and images to match the words, adds a realistic AI-generated voiceover, and even puts background music to set the mood. This isn't just about sticking a few clips together. It's about building a narrative and creating a polished, ready-to-publish video in minutes. For beginners, this is an absolute dream come true. It removes all the technical barriers and lets you focus on what really matters, your idea. The reason this is so useful, especially if you're just starting out, is that video creation has a lot of moving parts. You need a good script, engaging visuals, clear audio, and seamless editing. Now, you might be thinking, Justine, there are a lot of AI tools out there. What makes this one so special? And that is a great question. I've played with so many different AI generators. Simple text-to-video tools, more complex platforms. Many of the earlier AI video tools were pretty basic. You'd give them a script, they would just pull some random stock clips that sort of, matched the keywords. The results often felt disconnected, a little bit cheesy. You could always tell it was made by a robot. They lacked the storytelling flow that makes a video truly engaging. Comparison graphic showing a basic AI video tool's output next to InVideo AI's output. This is where InVideo AI version 3.0 really sets itself apart. It doesn't just match keywords, it understands context. It functions more like a human editor. When it generates a video, it thinks about the narrative arc. It tries to create a cohesive story from beginning to end, ensuring the visuals, voice, and music all work together to evoke a specific feeling. This contextual understanding is its superpower. Instead of just a slideshow of clips, you get a video that feels intentional and professionally directed. It's the difference between an AI assistant and a true AI creative partner, a huge leap forward for creators. Okay, are you ready to jump in? Let's do this. Head over to the InVideo AI website. Signing up is super simple. Sign up with Google, sign up with email. It takes about 30 seconds. No complicated forms or hoops. Once logged in, you land on the main homepage. The magic begins. Clean, not intimidating. The homepage is beautifully simple. Center, the prompt box. This is where you tell the AI what video you want. Above it, the workflow dropdown. Workflow gives the AI direction. YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, Reels Recent Events Video. Tailors the script, tailors the pacing, tailors the format. For now, focus on the main prompt. Before typing, take a look around. Interface is intuitive. Example videos, example prompts. Menu for past projects, edit anytime. Design, less is more. Next, we'll craft the perfect prompt together. This is my favorite part. Crafting the prompt is where you get to be the director. The better your instructions, the better your final video will be. Think of the AI as a super talented but very literal assistant. You need to give it clear, detailed directions. Make a video about apple pie. That works, but it's generic. We want to do better. Add details about tone, target audience, platform specific information to include first. State the main topic and the desired length. For example, create a 30-second video ad. Second, describe the mood and feeling you're going for. Warm, nostalgic, energetic, inspiring. Third, specify your target audience and platform. TikTok teens, Facebook moms. This changes the language and style. Finally, and most importantly, give it specific details to include. Let's imagine we're creating a YouTube ad for a fictional apple pie shop in New York City called Granny's Apple Pies. A weak prompt would be, ad for an apple pie shop. A much better prompt would be something like this. Create a 30-second YouTube ad for Granny's Apple Pies, a cozy shop in New York City. The tone should be warm, nostalgic, mouth-watering. By giving the AI this rich set of instructions, you're setting it up for success. Okay, we have our amazing, detailed prompt for Granny's Apple Pies. Now for the really fun part. After you type your prompt into the box, you'll see a few settings right below it before you hit generate. Choose the voice. Choose the subtitle style. Choose the music genre. For our ad, we want a voice that matches our warm and nostalgic theme. InVideo offers a huge selection of realistic AI voices. Browse the list and pick a calm, mature American female voice. It feels perfect for the Granny's theme. For subtitles, pick a style with a subtle background box. For music, pick acoustic, or pick cinematic. Once our settings are locked in, hit generate. Sit back for a minute and watch the AI work its magic. InVideo will analyze your prompt. It will write a script. It will find perfect clips from its massive stock library. It will generate the voiceover. It will sync everything to the music. It usually takes just a couple of minutes. When it's done, it presents the first draft of your video. The first time you see this, it's honestly mind-blowing. You'll see a polished video that looks like it took hours, not minutes. It will have scenes of pies. It will have scenes of apples. It will have cityscapes, all set to our chosen music and narrated by our chosen voice. Now the real power, the editor. The video is great, but maybe we want tweaks. The editor is incredibly simple. On the right side, you'll see the script, broken down by scene. Command-based editing is what makes InVideo revolutionary. Once you've mastered the basics, there are so many cool features you can explore to take your videos to the next level. One of my absolute favorites is the ability to add your own voice. While the AI voices are fantastic, sometimes you want that personal touch. InVideo makes this incredibly easy. In the editor, you can choose to upload your own voiceover file for each scene, record it directly in the app. This is perfect for creators who want to maintain their brand's unique voice. And here's where it gets even cooler. You can use the AI voice cloning feature. You just upload a short sample of your voice, and the AI can learn to speak any script in a voice that sounds just like you. Another incredibly powerful feature is the automatic translation. Let's say our apple pie shop wants to reach Spanish-speaking tourists in New York City. With just a few clicks, we can duplicate our project, tell the AI to translate it into Spanish. It will translate the script, generate a new voiceover in Spanish, even adjust the subtitles. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for reaching a global audience without having to hire translators or voice actors. You could create versions of your ad in multiple languages in a matter of minutes, which is just an unbelievable advantage for any business or creator. Don't forget to fine-tune the little details in the editor. The platform is your sandbox until you have something you are absolutely proud of.